Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to restart a TurboTax return. First, log into your TurboTax account from a web browser, not the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to Your Tax Returns and Documents section. Here, you will find an option to clear and start over for your current return. This action will remove all previously entered data, allowing you to begin fresh with your tax preparation. Ensure you are certain before proceeding, as this cannot be undone easily. After selecting Clear and Start Over, TurboTax will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a crucial step, as it permanently deletes all information you've entered for that specific return. Once confirmed, your return will be reset to its initial state, as if you're starting for the very first time. You can then proceed to input your tax details, such as W-2s and Form 1099s from the beginning. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Remember, this Clear and Start Over option is primarily for TurboTax Online users. If you are using the downloaded desktop software, you will need to start a completely new tax file to achieve the same result. Before clearing, it's always wise to save any important documents or summaries you might have generated. This ensures you have a backup of your previous work, just in case you need to reference it later. As you restart, double-check every piece of information you enter to avoid errors. Accuracy is key for a smooth tax filing experience. If you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions, TurboTax offers extensive help resources and customer support to guide you. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routines, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.